We are going to cook a pork butt. This is going to be, we're going to smoke pulled pork. Smoked pulled pork. I was trying to think of what I was thinking. All right. And you can see, buy one, get one free, $2.99 a pound. So like $1.50 a pound for meat is insane. So now we're going to trim. Wow, that was easy. Just trim some of this fat off. Okay, now we're going to put a binder, and we always use mustard because it's easy. And it doesn't take that much. The Kinders is going to be really good. I could have just spun this around instead of making you run around the whole
It's all right.
the thing. Look at that.
That looks really good and smells really good.
I think we'll do that side again, I guess. I should have did the fat side first. I usually do. Just like the other side. And used to, we would wash this off, but we was told
Didn't have to.
from a comment that you don't have to wash your meat anymore. And that's what I was told for years. And now we don't have to wash it. And that's even, was on the USDA
Yeah, you have to
website.
question lots of things anymore.
Yeah. But now they say don't. So everything just keeps switching. So
I feel like we should do the opposite of what they tell us.
I don't know about that. Okay, that's probably a little bit too much. Let's soak in just a little bit. And then we'll flip it over and we'll do that other side again because.
Now you don't do the sides, all right? Smells so good.
So we used quite a bit of that. We don't skimp. Okay, we're gonna let this sit. Well, let me do this side here. I didn't even see that side.
We still have to preheat the grill. Get it smoking.
All right, so we're gonna go preheat. Show you how we do that. And we are using the Woodfire Pro XL Ninja.
It's been our best friend this summer.
Oh my gosh, we've used this thing so much. All right.
We'll meet you out there.
Outside.
Putting the pellets in.
I'll make sure that gets full all the
Yeah.
way because this does not smoke the whole time.
No. I feel like you miss a lot until it's ready.
But there is a lot of smoke that it does in that short amount of time. Keep dumping those pellets everywhere. Alrighty, we're gonna have to get more pellets.
Yeah.
And there was also a comment, Bear Mountain makes these pellets and you can get like a bag of these for like $10 instead of buying them from Ninja, I guess. You may check that out. I don't know if that's true or not.
Good information.
We are gonna try and do that.
We're still in the hunt for something to keep inside the house during the winter. So
And I think I may have found it.
stay tuned for I know what will be a great video on that.
Yeah, doing this inside is going to be a big deal. Okay, we're going to turn this. All right, so someone showed up. It's just Amazon, no big deal. I turned that on 250, and we're going to switch the time to, let's do like 10 hours. It doesn't matter because we're going to go off temp. So just push start. It's on smoker. So we also have the app we can do this on, but it's just as easy to get it started through here and then use the app.
To watch your temperature and time, things
Yeah,
like
because
that.
you're already out here. You got that. You don't have to do it on your thing. So it's going, it's smoking, and we will see you when it's ready. All right, we're ready. It's already counting down. Get ready. I gotta get back. It's
Yeah,
so much
it's
smoke. That wasn't that bad that time. All
Be
right.
careful with this.
Boom. Oh, that looks good. All right, we're gonna get some probes in it, and then we'll see you in about 6 hours. Yay.
See ya.
Okay, we are going to wrap it. It has reached about 145 degrees internal, and we are going to this like that, easy, and you don't have all this stuff on you. Look at all those juices.
You got it? Goodness gracious, that's heavy.
I got it. Okay, we are going to put some butter in here, and we would actually put some brown sugar and some honey probably in here too, but we are on the carnivore diet. So we are just going to put some butter and maybe a little bit more of that seasoning, and then put it back in there for 250, and then we're going to go up to about 203, 205 on temp, I believe. We'll check on that. So we're using it
This is the Aldi version of the Kerrygold. It's just pretty good stuff. You may want a sharper one than that.
Huh?
You may want a sharper knife than that.
Why? It's butter.
I know, but it's like the real stuff and it's not. Don't skimp on it.
Don't skimp on the butter.
I bet that butter tastes good with that sprinkled on there.
You want to eat it, don't you?
Maybe.
Okay, now I'm going to try to wrap this as best we can. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. I'm going to double, and then I'm going to triple. Wrap this. Like changing a diaper. You get my baby boy. Oh, Okay.
How much does this weigh?
We could look back at the beginning of the video and it'll tell us.
I'm just thinking, since we're on carnivore, I wonder if this is as much weight as you've lost so far.
No,
that would put it in perspective.
That's
definitely
probably
more
under.
than that.
That's probably only. Yeah, well, it was maybe close. So I've lost 19 pounds
in a month.
Yeah, well, almost month and a half.
Yeah, well, not even that.
And we're going to actually increase the temp to 275 just to make it go faster. We've done smoked it, and you can mess with the temps whatever you want to do. The guy said we could do it at 275 to start.
Mm.
Oh, never got close.
It doesn't like that idea.
275. Oh, I got a little carried away there.
I think you have to hit the start button.
All right. We'll see you in a long time from now. We are ready to get the food.
It has been going for, my goodness, how many hours now? 10? 9 or 10 hours.
And we're ready to get it. And
Oh, it smells good.
Smells really good. Mmm. Shut that off. And I'm going to put this in the oven and let it rest for maybe 1 hour. See you in a little bit. Okay. See what we got. Oh my goodness, look at those juices in there. Look at that bark.
Mmm.
That's what happens when you cook it to the right temp. Okay.
Shredding up really good.
Is it good?
Mm. Mm-hmm.
That's a lot of meat.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm gonna try some. Oh wow. That's good. Really good.
Get you a piece with that black on there. He hears us in here eating it.
Yeah, he's coming out.
Smelled it.
Oh.
All right. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.
Thumbs
Pick one
up.
of these. Thumbs up. That was awesome.
We'll catch you on the next review.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.